Guys, welcome back to Lila Marashevsky, and today we are going to be doing a video of I'm going to be unboxing a toy, and it's my first video of unboxing anything on camera really. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. We got our toy. It's an Imaginext. It is let me read it from here. The Commissioner Gordon in police car. This is gonna be fun, so let's get into this. Whoa. Take two. Take two. Wait. Okay, here we go. Take two. Bing. Alright, I can't find scissors, so we're just gonna have to use our hands like good scissors. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here we have Commissioner Gordon in the police car. Let's open it up. Alright, first we'll start off with Commissioner Gordon, because of course we need to unbox our character first. Go. So here is Commissioner Gordon. He has some nice white hair. He has a suit, a nice badge, and a blue tie. And I like his glasses. There we go. So there he is, and trying to get in his hands started because he's been in the box for a long time. So there we go. All right, now let's move on to the police car. All right, let's get to it. All right, we got the car. It took off like 3 minutes, 2 minutes to get all the stuff off. But here's the car. So it's the sirens work. Oh, I shut it off. Yeah, it has an on and off switch. Let's turn it on. Sirens. And both of the doors open. Has 2 seats, so we can put Commissioner Gordon in there. And then, of course, we need the bad guy in there with him. So let's find a bad guy. Alright, we got a Joker here, and now let's see if we can fit him in the car, too. His hair is so spiky. Well, there it is. We can fit 2 people in the car. I think it does 3 different sounds. It gives us batteries and yeah. And so we don't really need the instructions. It just tells you what kind of batteries there are and what you can do with it. But here we are. So here's the car. Here's the bottom. I like this car. Here, we'll give you a better angle from this. There we go. It drives around. Oh. Wow, let's see the fastest it can go. Ready? Oh no. The siren stopped. Okay, good. As soon as I bumped it in there, it stopped. Come on out, Joker. Let's go into jail. Hey, but I don't want to. I don't want to go into jail. I think I'm good. Go. Don't let me go into jail, really, guys. Joker, all the rest of your friends are in jail. Look it. Yeah, that doesn't mean I have to be. Alright, guys, let's move this up here. Alright, thank you guys for watching again. Make sure you like and subscribe to Lila Marashevsky and Lila Marashevsky. And so I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Alright, I didn't outro the video that well. Okay, ready? I'll see you all next time. Bye! That one was better.